This view captures the very heart of Riga, Latvia, the historic Quiet Center district. This building right here, that's Dyninno Technologies, a part of Dyninno Group. It's the place where good ideas turn into great products, where professionalism meets innovation, where we work as a team and create solutions that make people's lives better. We create unique global products, provide front-end and back-end development, web security, design, marketing, and lead generation. For the 3 business divisions of Dyninno Group in travel, fintech, and entertainment technologies, we nurture a dynamic and creative environment where work finds perfect balance with exciting corporate culture, where our team is our biggest force, where everyone is encouraged to take charge, where we create true value for our clients, where we grow individually and together by inspiring each other and sharing our knowledge. We are a determined and ambitious team, always moving up. We work and think globally, from talented IT people to skilled marketing professionals, product managers, and HR experts. We're a diverse mix of talent, always looking for new faces. So join now and grow your career with Dyninno Technologies.